The hands you are about to see are not real. The person building this car does not exist, and the car does not exist either. Watch it, building itself piece by piece. And this one is being carved out of a solid block of wood. I did not film either of these. I did not use a camera. I did not open any editing software. I made both of them with free AI tools, and each one took about 60 seconds to generate. Two prompts did all of the work. Both prompts are linked in the description, free for you to copy, and if you want a new free AI tool tested every single week, subscribe. That is what this channel does. Here is everything we need. Two tools and two documents. Let's start with the first prompt, the miniature assembly video generator. This is the one that gives you the tiny car being put together piece by piece with hands moving in the frame. Open the first prompt document. Select the complete prompt from the very first line to the very last line and copy it. Do not copy only a part of it. The prompt is long and that's on purpose. It is describing the camera angle, the lighting and the movement for you, so you do not have to know any of that yourself. Come back to ChatGPT, paste the prompt in and press enter. Now watch what it gives us. ChatGPT generates 10 car brands, each one with the model, the color, the category and the visual hook. That last column is the useful one. The visual hook tells you what will actually look good on screen once it starts moving. So if you're not sure which car to pick, read that column and pick the one that sounds most interesting. If you don't like any of these, type more and send. ChatGPT will give you 10 completely new car ideas. You can repeat this as many times as you want until you see a car you actually want to build. I am going with the McLaren 720S. It's number 10 on the list. So I don't type the full name. I just type 10 and send. The number is enough. ChatGPT now writes the complete prompt for that one car. Give it a few seconds. Now let's go to Google Flow. You can see here that I am on a free account. Free users get 50 Flow credits every day. That number matters, so keep it in your mind. I will come back to it. Click the New Project button. This takes us to the page where the video is actually made. Before we generate anything, we'll set up the video settings. This part takes about 20 seconds and it's the same for both prompts today. So learn it once. Generation type, we select video. Then we select ingredients. Aspect ratio, we select 9:16. That's the tall vertical shape because we are making a reel or a short. Video generation model, we select Omni Flash. Duration, we select 10 seconds. Count, we select 1x. That means it generates one video, not several at the same time. You can generate 3 shots every day on the free account. That is your real limit. Now we go back to ChatGPT and collect the prompts it wrote for us. Copy the main prompt first and paste it into Google Flow's prompt box. Then go back to ChatGPT again, copy the negative prompt and paste it directly below the main prompt you just pasted. The negative prompt matters. The main prompt tells the AI what you want to see. The negative prompt tells it what you don't want to see. Now we hit the send button. We wait. In under 60 seconds, our video is generated. Let's take a look at it. The video came out actually decent, though I can still see some mistakes in it if you look closely. You have two options here. You can simply regenerate it and Flow will give you a different result from the same prompt, or you can move on and try a different car, which is what I want to do here. So I head back to ChatGPT. This time I am choosing the Ducati Panigale V4R. It's number 7 on the list, so I type 7 and send. ChatGPT generates the prompts again for this one. And now we do exactly the same steps as before. Copy the main prompt, paste it into Google Flow. Copy the negative prompt, paste it below the main prompt, then hit generate. Notice that we did not change any of the settings. They stay the same from the first video. That is why we set them up carefully at the start. We wait for the video to generate. Under 60 seconds again, and the video is ready. Let's take a look at it. This one looks much better than the previous one. Same prompt, same settings, different subject. So if your first result is not good, this is what I would do. Change the car before you change anything else. Now let's download it. Move your mouse pointer over the video that you want to download. Click on the three dots here. Then move your mouse pointer over the download button and it will show you a menu with the quality options. We select 720p. For higher quality than that, you need a Google Pro subscription. On the free account, 720p is what you get. And I'll be honest with you, for a shot or a reel on a phone screen, 720p looks completely clean. This is not a problem for what we are making today.
Now let us head to the second prompt, the wood car carving video generator. This one is a little different and I actually like the result more. Come back to ChatGPT and start a brand new chat. A new chat matters here because we do not want the old car list confusing it. In the new chat, type generate 10 car brand names and models and press the enter key or click the send button. After a couple of seconds, ChatGPT gives you 10 car brands along with their models. And just like before, you can type more if you do not like the ones it generated. I typed more and it gave me 20 more options. From those, I'm choosing the Aston Martin DB12. Now open the second Google Doc, the wood car carving prompt, and copy the whole prompt. Create a new project in Google Flow exactly the same way you did for the previous one. Paste the prompt into the Google Flow prompt box. Now, here's the one step that is different, so watch this closely. At the bottom of the prompt, you'll see the word vehicle written inside a bracket. That's a placeholder. You replace it with the car brand and model you chose in ChatGPT. I chose the Aston Martin DB12, so I'll type that in and I'll add the color as well. So I type green Aston Martin DB12. Adding the color is a small thing, but it gives you a much more specific result. The video generation settings stay exactly the same as the ones we used for the previous video. Nothing changes there. Then we hit generate. We wait for it to generate. In under 60 seconds, the video is done. Let's take a look. That one looks very good. And in the same way, you can generate this for almost any car you want. Pick the brand, drop it into the prompt, replace the placeholder and generate. The prompt does the rest every single time. So let me give you the honest picture of the free account before you go. You get 50 credits every day. A 10-second video costs 15 credits. That means 3 videos every day, downloadable at 720p without paying anything. 3 per day is the real limit, so choose your car before you generate instead of generating the same one again and again. Both prompts are linked in the description. Copy them and make your own. If this saved you time, hit like and subscribe. It's the one free thing that genuinely helps me keep making these. And if you want your AI character to stay exactly the same in every single scene, I've got a full video on that. It's on screen now. Go and watch that one next. See you there.